Make this recipe at your own risk because we about to get hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna show you guys how to make devil shrimp just like that. You ready? Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of what we're gonna use today. We have right here our jumbo shrimp here. I'm using about 2 pounds. Right here we have some red pepper powder. This is some Asian red pepper powder, guys. This is different than red pepper flakes. You wanna use some red pepper powder. And I'll leave a link to this in the video description below. Right here we have garlic powder, we have some sugar, we have some onion powder, and right here we use some hot chili infused oil. Now, if you don't have hot chili infused oil, you can use regular olive oil, but I want to use this because this is gonna help bring out that spiciness and that flavor in these shrimp. Guys, remember, these are devil shrimp. We want them hot. We want that flavor to be consistent. Right here we have some hot Asian chili sauce, some butter, black pepper, and I'm gonna use some Old Bay seasoning. Now, if you don't have Old Bay seasoning, you can just use some regular salt. That's fine. So, this is what we have, guys. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our rub. So we're gonna add our red pepper powder here. Guys, this stuff is hot, I'm telling you. Our onion powder, garlic powder, our sugar, Old Bay seasoning, and our black pepper. And we're just gonna get at a mix like that, just to get it all combined. All right, that's our beautiful rub. Take a look at that. All right, let's go ahead and continue. All right, in this step, we're going to season our shrimp. So we're gonna just start adding our rub here. And I'm just gonna get these babies mixed in. And typically, you wanna use all your rub. I'm gonna use all of it. All right, I got some more of this rub left. Let's do another round. All right, guys, take a look at that right there. Oh man, we are ready. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. Okay, so now we're gonna heat up our pan. We're gonna bring this up to temperature. We're gonna add our oil. This is our chili infused oil. And we wanna make sure that we have enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan. So this is about 5 to 6 tablespoons. And it looks like we have enough. All right, so it looks like our oil is smoking now. We're gonna start adding our shrimp. And guys, do not overcrowd your pan because you want to get a nice char on these shrimp. If you put too many of them, then what happens is they start steaming. You're going to cook these about 2 minutes per side. Of course, depending on how many shrimp you got, always kind of gauge what that looks like. All right. All right, so we're going to start flipping these babies over. See that? We got a nice little sear on that side. Good one right here. Right here also. And that's what we want. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good on this first batch. I'm gonna show you what we're looking for. You're looking for something looking just like that. Just like that. That's what you want it to look like. Like that, see that? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and remove these babies and we're gonna set them aside and we're gonna start with our second batch. All right, guys, so we are finishing up our last batch. They are good to go. We're just gonna add them right here to this same bowl. Man, these babies look good just like this. Take a look at that. Oh man, so I'm gonna sit these in a warmer and we're gonna continue preparing our sauce. Okay, so while our shrimp are in the warmer, we're gonna melt these 5 tablespoons of butter. And all we're looking for is for the butter to melt. That's it. And once it melts, we're gonna remove it from the heat. All right, so our butter has melted. I'm gonna remove it from the heat. And we're finna add it to a bowl so we can continue making our sauce. All right, so we're back on our cutting board. We're gonna add our butter here along with our chili sauce. And all we're gonna do is get that mixed up just like that, real good. All right, so what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna add me some red pepper flakes to this. Just a little bit. Or you can also add them during your garnishing if you want to. I want those pepper flakes to be on there. That's what we have, guys. So let's go ahead and get our shrimp back out. Then we're gonna move over to quality control and the final presentation. All right, so now we're at our cutting board. We're gonna take our shrimp, we're gonna add them here to this bowl. Let's go ahead and just put all that goodness on there like that. Now we're gonna add our chili sauce, just like this. And all we're gonna do is get these babies mixed in here like that. Oh man, God, ooh-wee. Man, take a look at that. Oh wait. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put these on a plate and we're gonna head to our final presentation and quality control. All right, let's go. And guys, look what we have. And I'm just gonna take some additional red pepper flakes for some more garnishment. There you have it, guys. Deviled shrimp. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Also, I'm gonna leave the measurements and ingredients in the video description below so you guys can check out. So let's go ahead and jump into quality control because I know y'all wanna see me eat these babies. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're back in here. Quality control time. Man, I am so ready to eat these. Listen, guys, this recipe ain't for everybody, but it's for me. I love spicy foods. Take a look at that. Oh, man. Oh. And, of course, I got me some water here. I know some people say, well, you ought to have milk. I got water. I don't want no milk, all right? All right, so let's go ahead and give this baby a try. Oh, man. Oh my goodness. Oh. It ain't hit me yet. This type of heat sneak up on you. Oh man. Now I'm feeling the heat. Oh boy. Man, if you don't eat spicy food, don't even try it. But if you love spicy foods, you definitely want to try this. The flavor, I mean, and this is not just like a hot sauce that when you taste it, it just burns your mouth and that's all you, man, this thing has flavor in it. I'm telling you, you guys need to try this. Oh, one more. Well, at least one more while I'm on camera. Oh. To the end. You already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, not a chef, just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.